Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to delete your Badoo account from Badoo web browser. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged in. In case you have not, do log in right now. I'm simply tired of Badoo, and right now I simply want to delete my account. To do that, I'm simply gonna go to Profile, the buttons at the bottom right. Now this is the profile page. At the top right, you're gonna see two options, that's Setting and Edit Profile. I'm simply gonna go to Settings right now. It's a gear-like icon. I'm gonna click on it. Then this will open up. That is the settings page. Well, there are lots of options, but deleting account relates to Accounts tab. I'm gonna click on it right now. Guys, do note that you have the option to hide profile as well. It's like we deleted it and we can come back whenever we like. But right now, we want to delete our account. At the bottom, you'll see the delete account button right here. Simply click on it. Now it's gonna ask you a few things. Are you sure you want to delete your account? Yes, we are, so let's select delete our account. And let's hit on continue. Well, it says, sorry to go. Please tell us your reason for leaving. Well, you can select whatever you wish. For now, I'm simply gonna select on this one. And simply scroll down. Here is a button that says confirm delete. Simply click on it, and in case it asks for your confirmation, simply hit on confirm or OK, and your account will be deleted. Well guys, that's it. That's how you delete your Badoo account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.